y'all, Niecy Love Harmony here of Whatsshecreating Enterprise, and today I will be showing you the top threading of the Singer Heavy Duty Model 5511 sewing machine. So let's get started. Okay, first thing that you need is a spool of thread of your choice, and let's move to the top of the machine. So we have our spool of thread here. We want the thread to be coming off the top of the spool like this. We're going to put it on the spool holder and then use the spool holder attachment piece to put it in place. So with threading the machine, you just look at the numbers. There's a number 1 here, a number 2, then there's a 3 down there, 4, and then a 5. So I'll take you through each step. You take your thread and we're going to put it through here. And all we do is we come from the back and we go under, okay? So once again, I come from the back and I'm holding it tight. I go under. Hopefully the camera will let you see that. Go under, click, and put it through, okay? So that's number 1. Number 2 is you put it on the back side like this. And there we go. Okay, so now we're on number 3. Number 3, all you do is you just take the thread and just roll it down into the indentation here. Number 4 is you're going to go around and come up. So I put it around and I come back up like that. Okay, so for number 5, you need to make sure that the thread take up lever is all the way in its highest position, and how you do that is by turning the hand wheel. So as you can see, I turn the hand wheel and I want it in its highest position and keep it there. So all I do is I go from the right and go around to the left. So I'm just going around and it'll catch it and pull it through the circle. So now it is actually looped within that hole, and that's what you want. Okay, so we've done that, and now we're going down to number 6. Number 6 has a slight indentation here, so all you're gonna do is take it and put it in between that, like clamp, okay? There's this clamp here, so I'm going to put it within that clamp also. Get in there. Okay, like that. I have to thread it through the needle. And some people have, this is like the hardest part for them. You can actually use a needle threader, which I do not have handy at the moment. This one didn't come with a needle threader. So what I usually do is cut my thread with scissors so that the end is sharp, or I will take some saliva and just like kind of spit on it. I know it's kind of gross, but you want to go from front to back. So I put it in there, front to back, no loops. And when I say no loops, I mean you want it to go straight from this clamp to the needle. No clamps. It can't wrap around the needle because it will mess up your sewing. So you want to make sure it goes straight down into the needle and back. Next thing you do, this is the presser foot. You're going to put it through the toey-woeys, or the toes of the presser foot like that. And then let it go to hang to the back. And there you go. That is how you complete the top threading of the Singer Heavy Duty 5511 model sewing machine. So thank you for watching this tutorial. Subscribe to our page. Don't forget to click that bell so you know when the notifications are coming up of a new video. Check us out on our socials, as well as grant us video ideas. Let us know how we're doing. And thanks for watching, and happy sewing.